What's up, man? YouTube. This is my unboxing for my LeBron 10 Nike IDs. I just opened it now, so you're gonna see my reaction. I went with the Joker theme. Let's see, man. I'm a little nervous here. I wasn't sure about these too much, but let's see. Woo!
Does it look like the same?
Yeah, these just look crap. Yep, these are hot. Yeah, I like these. These are hot. Exactly what I wanted, man. It came out just the same way. Fire. Joker theme, LeBron 10s. What y'all think about those? I'm digging them. Yeah, I went with the Volt inside. The Volt with the purple shoelace with the black tongue. And that's it, man. What y'all think about these? They did a good job. These are definitely sick with it. I know nobody did this. I know I'm the first dude that did do this one. Alright, man. Thank y'all very much. And comment below. Tell me what y'all think about these. Alright, man. Thanks.